Etsy shipping for beginners. Today, I'm telling you about the shipping process on Etsy, how you can actually buy a postage label on Etsy, how the packaging works, and how you can actually calculate the price of your packaging. So let's start. So first up guys, we know that we have created a account, but now we want to know about the shipping process on Etsy. So first things first, how do you buy a postage label on Etsy? So you can see right here, this is very simple. Sellers in the US or Canada who use Etsy payments or PayPal can go to your shop and then go to orders, find your paid orders, click print postage label, select your carriers, enter your delivery method, and confirm your details. So it's so simple for US and Canada based sellers for to buy a postage label on Etsy. But if you are not in US or Canada, then I'm afraid that you cannot actually buy a postage label on Etsy for now. But if you are, then you can just simply go ahead and follow these rules. So as we talk about the carriers that actually work on Etsy shipping, they are the United States Postal Service, FedEx, and Canada Post, Posts Canada. And you can see right here that the shipping process with Etsy is very simple, and you actually save up to 30% on your postage, and they deliver almost everything nearly everywhere. And there are literally the Etsy shipping is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry. You can actually ship your products to anywhere around the world. So now let's go to the packaging real quick, and let me show you around that when you are working on Etsy, and you packaging is actually one of the most important thing in the shipping for Etsy, because that's where a lot of people struggle. So you can see right here there are different packaging options that are available on Etsy. You can see all the packaging types right here. There is this package which is like a three-dimensional parcel with a combined length and width up to 108. So that's if you have like a big package, you can go ahead with this one. Then there is thick envelope for your documents or everything, and then there is irregular packaging, like not the regular shaped packaging that we normally go with. So you can go ahead and do that as well. And then there are USPS flat rate packaging. Official USPS boxes and envelopes are available in various sizes for a fixed postage rate regardless of package weight. So that's actually very amazing. And if you are, packaging worldwide, then you should actually go with USPS flat rate packaging, because that's going to help you a lot. And if I go right here and show you that domestic delivery, how does domestic delivery works? So you can see right here, these are the details for domestic delivery. If you are living in US and you have a delivery within US or within your state, so this is what it will look like. For example, it depends on the delivery method as well. For example, USPS Priority Mail Express, so the maximum weight can be 70 lbs, and the delivery speed will be 1 to 2 days, which is amazing. And then based on the weight, so this is the postage price, which I will actually show you how to calculate. So it depends on the weight of your parcel and location. Of course, the more it will weight, and the more the distance, the more will be the price. And then there is USPS Priority Mail. The maximum weight is 70 lbs, and the days are 1 to 3 days, and the days actually are increasing, but they're not a lot. Like the maximum days are like USPS Parcel Select Ground, which is 2 to 9 days. And again, the prices actually depend on the weight and the restrictions or locations and dimensions. So these are like for the domestic delivery. And then you can go to international shipping as well. And for me, if I'm like doing the shipping internationally, so I want to know these things. So internationally, you can see the minimum days that it will take is 3 to 5 days. And in the USPS Priority Mail Express International, the maximum weight can be 70 lbs, and the weight is actually nice. Or but look at this, like USPS First Class International Package Service, it can only hold like 4 lbs, so that's a little drawback, because what if you want to ship a product which is more than 4 lbs, so you'll actually have to pay more, and then the deliveries are like 6 to 10 days also. It actually depends on the weight and location. So yes, it's actually very easy. You can see right here that how Etsy is actually helping you with all of these things, and about the packaging and delivering and shipping. So you can go ahead and come here and check out all of these things before you start a shipping store. And when you're working and you are a beginner and you have no idea how the shipping process actually works and how Etsy works, and you don't have any experience in shipping and everything, so this is very good for you to understand everything, that the package type and the delivery speed and postage price and everything. So that's actually amazing. And right here you can see that USPS flat rate weight restrictions vary by packaging type. So now there are different restrictions that come when you are shipping internationally. And for example, the problem that I face most of the time is that I am in sending the shipment to countries that and the packaging is maximum weight is 4 lbs, so that actually comes in way of shipping. But it's okay because Etsy actually allows you to ship internationally and to many countries, like almost all the countries around the world. And after that, you can go ahead and check out their additional services as well, because Etsy is also providing this like insurance for US domestic packages and for international packages. So that's actually very good that Etsy has insurance, because most of the big companies or big sellers, they do not provide insurance sometimes, but Etsy is actually doing that. You can see and check out these right here. For example, insurance for US domestic packages, you can check them out and read it right here. For example, the coverage for 0.80 packages valued between 50 to 100, and 0.80 plus 0.80 per 100 or fraction, therefore over 100 of coverage per package. So it's like written right here, so you can go ahead and check right here. For example, and if the insurance is not available in some of the countries, then these countries are given right here. You can check them out as well. So yeah, go ahead and check these like details before starting your shipping store on Etsy, because it will really help you. And then there is this print postage label option where you can actually print your postage label. So that's that. Actually, that's for the packaging, and I think you now have an idea how the packaging works on Etsy. So now let's go to price your postage, and let me show you how you can actually go ahead and calculate the price for your package. It's so simple, and Etsy is providing you this service as well. So if you are shipping domestically, you can go ahead and add your zip code right here. I have added this random zip code, and then you will add the destination zip code, for example something like that, and then the package weight and their length weight. So I will show you like internationally. For example, this is the zip code, and then I will choose the country. Now I will not choose a zip code, but rather I will choose a country. So for example, I want to ship to Canada. So, and the package weight is, let's just say 10 lbs and 0.5 oz, and the length is 5, width is also 5, and the height is 2. So this is, for example, the details of my package that I'll be sending to Canada. So I want to calculate the prices. So I will simply click here, and you can see right here that this is what my delivery charges will be. So the service will be USPS Priority Mail International, and the ETA, the days it will take is 6 to 10 days, and then it will take 69 US, and then Etsy will take 66. And then if I use the USPS Priority Mail Express International, then it will take 3 to 5 days, but the price will be more. It will be 103 US. Right here it's 69, but now I will have to pay 103, and then Etsy will take 696. So that's that. And then again, you can see right here the optional options with restrictions. So what's happening in USPS First Class Mail International is is unavailable for packaging heavier than 4 pounds delivering to Canada. So if you're using like first class mail international, then this will be the restriction that will be applied. So you can see right here, you can easily calculate, and once you have calculated and you know that this is what the pricing will be of your shipping, so you can go ahead and just check them out and you can work accordingly. So yeah, this is how you can actually go ahead and calculate your shipping prices. So yeah, it's so simple on Etsy to create your shipping option and everything. So yeah guys, this is it for the video. I just wanted to show you around Etsy and how the shipping process actually works, and I hope I was a big help to you. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.